Hello guys, how are you? Hopefully all of you are doing great. So today I thought about telling you guys about the hashtag research I was talking about in my previous video. So hashtag research is actually a very simple thing. So I'll tell you guys how do we do that and what are the points you need to keep in mind while you are doing a hashtag research and while using a hashtag in your post. So if you guys are interested, keep watching the video till the end. But before I move on with the video, don't forget to go down, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification. Before I've talked about hashtag research before also in the video, so you should use hashtags of different sizes. Okay, so what I mean by different sizes is like so what I mean by different sizes, I'll explain you that in this video. And one more thing I want to let you guys know is not to use the same hashtag on every post. Okay, you need to change your hashtag every time. Okay, so once you do a hashtag research, just divide that those hashtags into like 3 or 4 separate groups, and you can use alternatively all of them in your posts. Okay, so if you are using the same hashtag again and again, then Instagram takes it as a spam, so you need to take care of that. Okay, so now let's start with the different sizes of hashtags which I was telling you about. Here now Instagram allows you to have 30 hashtags in one single post, so you can totally use around 30 hashtags in your post. So I've divided that 30 into 5, 5, 5, 5 and 10. Okay, so how do you divide that 5? So 5 will be your personal tags. So 5 personal tags. So what is personal tags? Personal tags can be your own name or your brand's name. Okay, if, like for me, my personal tags would be Swastika Arya or only Swastika, or it can even be marketing ninja, and all of these will be my personal tags. Okay, for you it can be your brand's name, or it can be your logo, like what is the logo of your brand. Okay, all of these things. Okay, so you can consider it in your personal hashtags. Okay, so that is something you need to do it by yourself. That does not require any research. You should know what personal hashtags you have and what you can use. Okay, so now next is these 3 hashtags. Okay, these 3 types of hashtags which we have. First is 5 industry niche tags. Okay, so in industry niche tags, suppose you are a business owner, then you can go use hashtag business or hashtag business owner. Okay, owner. Okay, and and how do you do the research? For showing that, I'll take you to my phone screen. Okay, before doing that, I'll explain you all of these 3. Okay, so that will come under these, and using these you can do your hashtag research. Okay, these 2. Okay, now after you in the process of doing the hashtag research, then first in industry niche tags, what it basically means is hashtag which has more than million follows or more than 1 million posts. Okay, all those come under industry niche tag. Okay, so next category is mid-size industry tags. In that, all the hashtags which comes between 100k to 1 million, it comes under the mid-size industry tags. So all these okay, and then the third type is small size industry tags. These are hashtags which has less than 10k. Okay, all these tags come under in small size industry tags. So how do we research all of these 3? I'll show you all in my phone screen. Okay, so and the last is that the 10 competitor tags. Okay, so what are competitor tags? Like when you search for hashtags, on the top of the list you'll see some posts. Okay, so those are the most popular posts. Okay, all the most popular posts. So you can go to that post and see what are the hashtags they are using. So all those hashtags which they are using are your competitor tags. Okay, you can use all of those tags also. So take out 10 tags from there, which is actually very helpful for you. Okay, so now I'll take you to my phone screen and explain you how to do the hashtag research. Okay, so like I took the example of a business owner or a business. So how do we do the hashtag research? Is simply we'll go to the search bar and over here we'll search like hashtag business. Okay, and we go to tags over here. So we get this. So you can see that it is 62.3 million posts. It has 62.3 million posts, and you can bring it to your first category. Okay, like after the personal tags, the next we have divided into three tags: more than million, and between 10k to million, and less than 10k. So you can put it in the first category, that is more than 1 million. Okay, then okay, in that only we can see the other related ones are like marketing. Okay, it won't be that useful for you if as a business owner. Then we'll go to the next tag, which is the business owner tag. So over here also you have a lot of here also it's more than it's 9.5 million posts. Okay, so you can use this also. Then related, you can see over here we have entrepreneur. So it has this many, 62.8 million. Then entrepreneur mindset, that is also 2.9 million, and so on. You can go and searching it, because Instagram shows you all the related hashtags that are present. You can use all of you can go through all of them and divide it like that. Okay, you can go to million, and if you keep going, see, now we have this is hashtag business goals, and it has 650k posts. Okay, so it has 650k posts, which means you can put it in the second category. Okay, and if you just go on searching, it has 2 million, means in the first category. This will also be for the first category. Okay, all of these are first category. Okay, let me find something. Business help. Okay, so it has 75.6k, so we can put this in the third category, right? So we can put this in, and other small business tips. These are two. This is 255k, means you can put it in the second category. Business help. Okay, I just went there. Okay, business goals in the second category, 650k. Then let me find something. Build your own empire. Yes, 1.6 million. So like that you can keep and going and go and research. Okay, and just divide it into three categories and write all of that. Okay, now the first personal tax I explained. The next three categories I've explained, and how do you search it I have explained it over here. Okay, now the third thing and the last thing which comes was of competitor tax. Okay, so for that, let me go back to hashtag business. Okay, because you are a business owner, so you'll be wanting something related to business. So yeah, so okay, you can see a lot of posts over here. Okay, and these are in this page because these are the top posts present. Okay, so we can go to any of the posts, suppose this post, and see if what are the hashtags this person is using. So I guess he is something related to technology, so he has all these hashtags related to technology. Okay, no problem. Then we'll go. Okay, this looks like some business. So okay, he has only three: business, entrepreneur, and creative. He has using these three. So you can just write that. Okay, suppose this one. Okay, and we'll go and see what are the hashtag motivation. You can take hashtag entrepreneur. You can take hashtag hustle. Hashtag hustle is also good. hashtag lifestyle, hashtag influencer, digital marketing, all of these things. So you can use this as the competitor tags. So you need to go there and search what are the tags. You need to note it down, have a pen and a paper beside you, note down, divide it into three categories and another competitor categories. Okay, in total four. Just write down all the hashtags. Okay, and then divide all that hashtag into three parts. Okay, like I've said, you should not repeat your hashtag, so just divide it into into three or four, okay, categories, and use them alternatively. So hopefully this was clear. So hopefully it was clear for you guys. You understood the concept of hashtag research and how do you do this and how do you mix the hashtags and how those are the 2 points which I told is mixing your hashtag sizes of mixing hashtags of different sizes and to keep changing your hashtag every time, not using the same hashtag. Just keep these 2 points in your mind when you're using your hashtag. So hopefully you guys like this video. So don't forget to go down below and leave a thumbs up, and then don't and hopefully you have subscribed my channel if you're watching till now, and if you haven't subscribed then just go right now and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.